Okay, hopefully this gets into frame because I do not have my viewfinder on, and I'm kind of just doing this on a whim because I kind of wanted to refilm my intro because I didn't like the way the other one came out. I don't know. I'm hard to please myself, okay? For myself, not for anybody else to please me. Oh my gosh. Now you see why it's so easy to poke fun at me. Okay. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, also known as Mindsetandmascara. And over here we like color and all things sparkly and shiny and everything like that. I also one of my favorite YouTubers is Teresa Mulhern. If you do not know her, you need to subscribe to her. She would appreciate this green lip. Okay. So in today's video, we are doing this look. Okay, this look. There's a reason. All right, there's a reason. I wanted to try out these liners. I got these liners from Glamierre, which they look like this. I have a set of pastel and I have a set of just regular colors. And they're, of course, UV reactive liners. And there's a funny story behind these. I was going to get the Sheen ones, which is Sheen, which Missa had told me about. It is a UK brand, but I'm not lazy, but I'm instant gratification. Okay, I didn't want to wait that long, so I saw that they were coming out with the new colors, plus they also had the pastel colors. So I went ahead and bought both sets. They took forever to come in because these were pre-order, and they came in last week, I believe. So I wanted to film a video, and I wanted to film with the liners, and I wanted them to look nice. I don't know if I can get it to react on camera because I tried earlier and they didn't really do it because this light that I got from Amazon, I thought it was itty bitty flashlight, but it's not. It's a big gigantic flashlight. So good luck with me taking pictures on that. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this look and what I think of the liners, then let's get started. Okay, we're going to focus less on the eyeshadows. Well, it's going to be a detailed look. But my main thing is I want to try these liners out. But of course, that's not what this entire video is about. It's more about the look and teaching y'all how to do it. Well, following me along while I ruin it is more like it. So, excuse me, sorry. That was rude. Alright, so we are just doing the usual Anastasia Beverly Hills eye base. I use this for everything. We're gonna do one eye on camera, one eye off camera, normal things. Normal things. Okay, I'm in a great mood today. I don't know why. Alright, where do I want to start out with? I want to start with, I'll do a blue. Alright, we're gonna go into the deep, and then we're gonna blend it out with key lime. Because Missa did a blue and green look and I loved it. So that's what we are going to do over here. But I have this idea. I want to see if it'll work because I really want to try these liners. So I'm looking forward and I want to make sure that it comes above that line because I'm going to have a cut crease there. E27, And we're going to go into Key Lime and just blend that out. Had an itch. I am going to take this winged liner brush and some P. Louise base on my hand and just cut the crease. Now, I'm going to cut it all the way through, but I'm going to be topping it with liner, so it's almost going to be like a double cut crease. Perfect. All right. Now, I need to fix that one portion, so I'm going to get this pinpoint concealer, and a little bit of the blue, and blend that in. Because right now it just looks like I have a blank little space. Not blank, but it looks a little uneven. Okay. There we go. I'm going to use the P. Louise base in Rumor 0 because I want these brighter colors to pop. Now I know what these YouTubers talk about. It being the lights being hot. Okay. So I need put a white base on. So now that that is on there, I am going to just like start doing, I'm going to start with the red and orange and then kind of go into the bright pink and into the bright green and blue. So, but I also want to be sure and not get up to where I want to put the liner on. So, all right, then we're going to go into Sundown, which is a deeper orange. We'll do Blaze because it's a little bit redder. If you can see, I'm trying really hard not to, it's going to be a thicker cut crease than I had planned, but that's okay. Now we're going to take Pink Lily, Pink Lily, and that's going to go and I'm going to go into Lagoon. It's a brighter color. And now I'm going to do Reef. We're probably not going to see Reef much, but I am going to put it on here. Just so I can have a spot to cover, or have something covering that area. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take this wet wipe and I'm gonna carve. What I need to do. Now it is time for the graphic liner. Ooh, I hope this comes out. So what I wanted to do was like a flower, but I'm thinking it should be a purple stem now. It's the Morphe M250. I seem to be using this a lot more lately, but okay, let's see. We are going to all right, so you see what I'm doing here? I'm going to finish up here and then do the design. Or well, not do this, do the design, because the design is going to come later. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this up right here. I'm going to do all of my base and this eye, and then we'll come back and do the rest of the design and stuff, because I want to show you what I'm doing. So we will be back. All right, let's get started here. I didn't put lashes on because I've changed my mind and how I want to do the rhinestones and the rest of the liner, because what I wanted to do was I wanted to like take from here and go into like a flower and then do some leaves on here, which is why I kind of wanted to do the green liner, but that's not going to work with what I've ended up with. So let's start going. Let's get the bottom lash line done. I'm going to take the short shader, the E20, the Sigma E20 short shader. Wow. Okay. And what do I want to do? I've got, part of me wants to do blue, but I do a lot of blues on the lower lash line to begin with. I'm thinking that, yeah, let's, I don't know what I want to do. I have no clue. Okay, let's do blackberry. I know I'm probably going to regret this, but I'm going to do it anyway. Let's do blackberry along the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Reef, which is that green color, and I had a feeling it'd end up turning brown because it's green, but try to make it work. Now we are going to, I really hope that this works out the way I want it to work out, because if it doesn't, then damn. We're going to get some jewels. So I want to randomly place the jewels. I need to grab these out anyway, because I need... Okay, let's put you right there. And then I pick... jewel up. And then I want to randomly place them. I love these AB jewels because they just look... it just gives another dimension. I don't want to get too much. There we go. Teal. Okay, so let me see. I'm going to see. Just see. I'm going to go over one of them and see if I like it. Okay, that's better than what I expected. Y'all won't see what it takes to edit this, but I guarantee you it's gonna be insane to edit this. Okay, now let's see if I can show you something. There we go. Okay. I will be right back. All right. Look at the lips. How sparkly they are. Sorry. Anyway, I used Melt Taupe lipstick along with Lime Crime's Wet Cherry gloss in Cherry Slime. And I have to tell you, these glosses, let me zoom in. Yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for hanging with me. Really, the whole purpose of this video was to try these liners, and honestly, I like them. Let me zoom you in so you can see. See? I have very wrinkly lids, and you can't really tell a whole lot of cracking in them. Especially right here. This right here is my main concern of cracking, and it didn't. So I am very, very happy with it. So yeah, these liners are not bad. I was going to get the Sheen, S-H-E-E-N, ones that Missa had, but I'm floating. But it's overseas and I'm very impatient and I wanted to try these. So these are Glamierre. I have a few things of theirs. I have their neon pigments and now I have their liners and I really do like them. I do also have a palette of theirs. I haven't used it. I mean, if you want me to use it, let me know and I will use it one day. But yeah, it's got this one and it's just a neon palette. I got this when I got the other liners. So if you want me to try doing a look with it or something, just let me know and I will be glad to do that. I'd have to figure something out because this one took me a million years to figure out what I wanted to do. Even then, it's still not what I had in mind. So here we are, but it did come out great. And let's see, I did show y'all earlier, but this light, there we go. This light is just craziness. I bought this on Amazon and I thought it was like a smaller bulb and it's not. All right, let me turn you guys back on. Yeah, I thought it was a smaller, just a smaller flashlight and it was not. So taking pictures is going to be fun, needless to say. So anyway, that is all for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, then hit the subscribe button. And until next time, see you later. Bye, guys.